Big time push from Bubba Wallace to Kyle Busch. Wallace looks inside. Busch right up to Blaney's rear bumper. Crossover move. Kyle Busch up high. They're 3 wide for the lead. It's Daniel Suarez up high with Busch in the middle.
3 wide for the lead here in Atlanta, coming back to the start-finish line. Blaney down on the inside, and Ryan Blaney looks like he's going to pull it off by about 2 feet here. Now they're going.
Race finish is under review.
Yeah, sorry, that's it, right.
99-12 in the 8. Race winner is the 99. Need the 99 to the start finish line for his post race celebrate. Again, 99 is your race winner. He'll do the celebration at the start finish line. He'll go on the victory lane on the turn 1 side of victory lane between pit stall 17 and 18.
3/4 half, here it comes, watch for the split, up to your bumper, big push on you, door, quarter, up 1 lane, force 1 lane up, middle of 3, no help right now, middle of 3, you're gonna have to come up to the 99 door, middle of 3, still inside, middle 3, checkers. I don't know, second or third.
7,007 seconds, we finished third.
Wouldn't have it any other way. I won. Just run the shortest distance here. Clear up top's gonna have a little bit of run. So watch your bottom. Outside 8 now, outside. 23 is gonna be your help. 3 wide bottom. 3 wide bottom. 3 wide. Stay above the double wide. 3 wide here. 3 wide. Get off them. Get off. Change to 99, got it. They're under review here.
Damn it, man. Fuck. I didn't think they would get that big of a run. I didn't think I was that far out. Damn it. Good job anyway, guys. Good job.
Yeah, I didn't think so either. I mean, 8 didn't have much help there, so I didn't think they'd get the run. They didn't get the last 3 laps.
I was surprised you got that big a run. Damn. You did good, man. I tried to lay back as much as I could there, so they did get that run. But I don't know whether I'd rather be middle or I don't know. They were both just coming with such a head of steam.
Watch your bottom off at 2. Keep coming hard. Nothing out front here. Push. Half. Quarter. Come bottom hard. Find the 12. Keep coming hard bottom here. Middle's open. Watch the 1 bottom. Watch the inside. Middle 3. All the way through the line here. Mid 3. All the way through the line. Mid 3. Coming hard through the line. All right. Checker flag. Easy. Watch them here. Inside. 2 up top. You're all clear. Good job. P5. So fucking tight, man. Yeah, I see him just wash up over there.
Good job, bro. P5.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for sticking with me. Sorry about the mistake. Let's keep building on it. Who got it? Daniel? Appreciate the effort. Really do. Let's keep it going.
Yeah, man.
Off the bolt, stall the 8 hard here into 1, get a big run. Here comes a big push from the 2, get ready to keep it 2. Still inside, stall this 8. Lanes are going to come at you even again. Bottom lane's tighter. Getting pushed by the 23 inside of the 8. He's going to make a big move here. Be top 3 here. Top 3 coming checkered. If you get ahead, push him down. Checkered. It says 99.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Woo! I'll let you know. Under review. On the grass, I'll let you know. It's going to be us or the 12 here.
Looks like us on this picture here.
Start zone. Just park right here and wait. Just wait. It's really freaking close. Like, closest in history, probably. 99, victory lane. Ah! Hell of a job! Hell yeah, man. Let's go. Go!
Hell of a job, Frankie. Hell of a job, team. Everybody in the car. Great recovery.